Hi, this is Pete Colton with MarineMax Miami and Grady-White boats. I hope you enjoy this quick video of one of our new Grady-Whites. I'd love to take your phone call at 305-389-4946.
I'd like to show you the 2017 Grady-White 300 Marlin. This is one of the traditional Grady designs. It's been around since the 80s, and it's one of the first hulls they used their CV2 hull design, the classic Grady-White hull design that everybody enjoys today. Moving up into the boat, you see it was powered by twin 300 Yamaha V6 engines. You have plenty of space back here, huge beam. Put a nice deck chair out here and fold up the bench seat. You have plenty of seating. Huge fish box, insulated, and then also down here under the seat you have a huge live well. This is a freshwater sink over here on the starboard side. You could also use it for storage. It's convertible. Moving forward, you can see we've rigged this boat with twin Garmin 12-inch touchscreen chart plotters and a Garmin VHF radio. This boat also comes with the Taco Grand Slam 380 outriggers, which make it very easy to raise them up and down using the crank and using the cam to shoot them out to the starboard side. Inside the compartment, you can see you have a very comfortable berth up forward, a sink, refrigerator, and a microwave. There's a small berth underneath in the back and a large stand-up head. This boat also comes with a Fisher Panda diesel generator, so you can run your air conditioning and all your accessories for days. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 305-389-4946.